friends! Today we're learning words that start with the letter F. What 10 fun words will we find today? Let's find out together. Can you guess some F words before I say them? Here comes our first F word, fish. Frog. Flower. Fox. Farm. Fire. Warm and safe by the campfire. Feather. Forest. Fan. Fruit. Let's say them together. Fish, frog, flower, fox, farm. Let's say them together. Fire, feather, forest, fan, fruit. So many F words. Which one is your favorite? Before we sing, don't forget to subscribe to Quackers' channel for more fun videos. Are you ready for our F song? Take a deep breath and sing with me.
F, 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 fantastic F. Say the sound with me. F, F. Find the F word, sing along. Clap, clap, clap our F song. Fish and frog, friends by the pond. Flower and fox, we sing along. Farm and fire, warm and bright. Feather, floating, soft and light. Forest tree, so tall and green. Fan goes whoosh, a breezy scene. Fruit so yummy, colors shine. 10 F words, learning time. F is fun for everyone. F, F, fantastic, our song is done. F is fun for everyone. F, F, fantastic, our song is done.
We found all 10 F words today. Remember to subscribe to Quackers' channel so you never miss an adventure. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.